Now I'm going to chrome over top of my gel nails. I put on polish in the Starstruck, which is a purple Unity all-in-one, which means there's no tackless finish to it. It is cured all together. So that's by Bio Seaweed Gel. And then my gray nails are called Sherpa by Sheba Professional Nails. It's my sweater collection. And I have two of my chrome powders here. I have the silver and the gold one. So I'm going to use the silver one to open this up, and then just very carefully I am going to either use my eyeshadow applicator to apply it, or we can use a silicone applicator. Let me just see if I have that. Personally, I kind of prefer the chrome, the sponge applicator. So let's just see. Yeah, I think I'm going to just use that, which is fine. Okay. So I'm not going to chrome them all. Let's chrome my baby one, and then the gray one, the Sherpa one. Oh, and first, I do have my gel polish on. It's all baked, but we have to apply a tackless top coat, which my favorite is the Sheba nail one, the Permaseal by Jamasi, or also Nail Light has a really good high gloss tackless one, or also Bio Seaweed Gel has a tackless top coat one. So you do need a good approved tackless top coat gel that's going to work for you. Otherwise, this won't work very well. It just won't have that sheen to it. Actually, I'm going to do all the nails just so I don't forget. But you definitely need to do this before you put on the gloss, the chrome. So just not too thick. And then let's cure this. Always try to put your tackless top coats on very thin. Otherwise, they can sometimes run to the side or have little bubbles in them. Let's do the other hand, all of them, just so I don't forget. You can use this over regular polish or gel polish, but it is critical that you have a tackless high gloss, either the Jamasi by Sheba or one of the really good glossy ones. That's a no wipe. Okay, just be sure that it's cooled down and that it's not sticky. Yeah, it might need to be baked a little bit longer, another 30 seconds. There we go, that's better. Perfect. All right, so now we're going to take a little bit. I'm going to do my baby nail, and we're going to start to apply it and just buff it in. I might not do the whole nail, I might ombre it. Yeah, I think I like that. Let's see, with the silver. This is called Cashmere Sweater Collection. Very pretty. And let's do thumb.
But I'll try again. I'll try again. Stay on the straight and narrow. We'll meet up at the end. Cramped up on the inside at the thought of losing you. But I'll try again. I'll try again.
I think I'll just ombre the
Stay
tips.
on the straight and narrow. Meet
Of
up
all of
at
it.
the end.
Here, so I have to just thin it out the cuticle so I still have that purple finish. And then I'm going to top coat it with the topless. Just blow off that excess. See, I did the whole nail here. It pretty much covers up all the purple when you put it on solid.
I'll just keep on going over and over.
Okay, so then I can let it cool off, and I have my ombre chrome and purple. So on this other hand, let's just do the chrome at the tips, more like a French manicure. Yes, I really like that. I like the chrome French tips rather than the ombre. Either one is nice. One's more subtle. So now I need to do the final coat on this. So I'm going to be sure that I don't drag my brush up, but that I just put fresh amount of sealant on the tips. So it doesn't smear the chrome. And then I'm going to cure that for 1 minute. And then as well put cuticle oil on around it.